So I take this opportunity, first of all, to congratulate our young hero, Pynshngain Kurbah, for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So really you have made all of us really proud. We are very happy and very proud of you, and it is a result of all the hard work that you have put in. So really we are very, very proud of you, and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the people of our state. And of course I also would like to congratulate Sheila and Vincent, Ian and Sheila, for all the work that you have put in the last many years. I've been to your place, we have sat down a couple of times, I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing, and really this is, I'm sure, the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come, but this is a beginning. So I congratulate Ian and Sheila and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. So I really once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. At this point in time, I'd like to ask Pynshngain if you want to say something. How do you feel? Yes, Pynshngain, how do you feel?
I feel happy, sir.
That's good. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for the support and all, sir.
Very good. And Ian, Sheila, you'd like to say something?
Yeah, same. Thanks so much, sir, for all your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be here at all. And so, thanks so much, and please continue with that.
Sure.
And there's a lot of potential here in Nagaland.
So, Pynshngain, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you, so that you have security and in the future, because you have done us all proud, and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done, and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy, which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So enjoy, and wish the rest of the team also the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.